Hi, my name is Matt. We're in a 2026 Northern Lite 10.2 with our lithium power package. Today we're going to go over the Truma controls. The Truma is a 2-in-1 hot water heater and furnace. The controls are located just to the left of the battery monitor. It's very simple to operate. To turn it on, simply touch the main knob. We can control between the cabin air temperature, the water temperature, fuel type, as well as the fan speed. To turn on the Truma, the first thing you want to do is select what type of fuel type you wish to run off. The options are gas, mix 1, mix 2, electric 1, or electric 2. Going to the beginning, gas is simply just propane. Mix 1 is going to use both propane and electricity. Mix 2 is going to use propane and electricity, but also supplement the electricity at a higher wattage. Electric 1 will run with the base level of electric heat, and electric 2 will kick it up a gear. The cabin air temperature can be changed by going to the RV with the temperature symbol. Default is off. Scrolling the knob to the right will increase the temperature. When the desired temperature is selected, select the button. For water temperature, the base is off. Again, the 3 modes can be selected with the knob. Fan speed can be selected again with the knob.